My 3D printer peeps, I am entering the Midwest Rep Festival. I'm on a 360-degree camera, so you can take your hand and swipe around, or your mouse and swipe around, or you can just take your phone and look around, and you can see everything 360 all around you, not just me, but anything you want. This is Midwest Rep Festival. This is 2026. It's been a busy day. Lots going on. Lots of fun cosplayers here. Lots of fun makers and painters here.
It's cool to meet a human being.
We've got droids here from Star Wars. Here we go. R2-D2. We've got Alien Cell. Say hello to Alien Cell. You're on the Osmo. Coffee, please. Coffee is life. That's right. We'll fight over the carafe, right? We got Polymaker on our left, and oh, don't forget Voltron. And next to Voltron is Krampus. And Krampus actually has a woman here, a kid, a child, is the word I'm looking for, under his spell. If you look at her, her eyes are glowing. He came down the chimney right there, and he's gonna go ahead and possess the child and take the child. Truly crazy. This is the Polymaker booth, very nice fancy booth. They have some fun games. They have an awesome dice tower. If you look down, that's a gigantic functional dice tower. That's my man Steve hiding behind me over there. Oh, you heard me. Excuse me. Lots of filament. Lots of filament. Cookie CAD. The real Sam. LDO motors over here. The Prusa booth. Bowling alley. This was an actual functional working 3D printed bowling alley. Unfortunately, you know.
Had it working for another hour.
Did you?
After lunch.
It suffered the fate of many trade show devices, yes. This guy makes some cool stuff right here. This is Chep. But Chep is not here. He must have stepped away. Chep likes to mingle and chat. Such a nice guy. Over here we've got Tripod's Garage. He is making chili. This is the Death Racer. Sam's table. This is laser engraving and UV printing. A lot of interesting stuff. And there's a whole second building filled with even more. It's pretty busy. It's hard to walk around with this thing on a giant stick. So I just kind of whizzed through it just to give you all a quick peek at the show. Not really doing it justice, but at least you get to see it.